How to reply to a message on a group on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reply to message in a group on Amo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Now once you are here, click on the chat icon up there to get to this page, and you're gonna find all your conversations. Now all you need to do is choose a group. For example, this one. Now all you need to do is choose a message you want to reply to. And all you need to do is keep clicking on the message and you're gonna find those options. Now just click on the first option, which is reply, and write your message. And this is how you can reply to a specific message on group. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.